The university is implementing a card access system for the laundry facilities situated within the dormitories. This enhancement aims to bolster security measures and restrict entry to authorized individuals, specifically the student population. The chosen methodology for wiring the new card access system involves the utilization of electrical metallic tubing, commonly referred to as EMT conduits, and junction boxes, known as J-boxes. Individual 1.25-inch EMT conduits extend to standard 5S electrical boxes located discreetly behind each washing and drying machine. These 5S boxes serve as the mounting points and connection hubs for the card readers. A more substantial 2-inch mainline EMT conduit then connects all of these individual runs to a centralized 24-inch by 24-inch J-box positioned in the ceiling. This larger J-box acts as the central aggregation point and houses the primary controller for the entire card access system. Once the installation is complete, students will gain entry to the laundry room simply by swiping or tapping their student identification cards at the newly installed card readers. This streamlines the access procedure and significantly reduces the possibility of unauthorized entry, contributing to a safer and more controlled environment within the university's residential facilities. The advantages of utilizing an EMT conduit system in this type of installation are numerous. Firstly, EMT provides robust physical protection for the electrical wiring. The steel construction of the conduit safeguards the wires from damage caused by impacts, abrasions, or other potential hazards that might be present in a high-traffic area like a laundry room. Secondly, EMT offers excellent electromagnetic interference (ME) shielding. This is crucial for sensitive electronic equipment like card readers and controllers, as it minimizes the risk of signal disruption from external sources. Thirdly, EMT is a relatively cost-effective wiring solution compared to other options such as rigid metal conduit. Its ease of installation, due to its lightweight and readily available fittings, also contributes to reduce labor costs. The use of standard-sized J-boxes ensures easy access for future maintenance or modifications to the system. The 5S boxes provide ample space for connecting the wires to the card readers, while the larger 24-inch by 24-inch J-box allows for the neat and organized termination of all the conduit runs and the secure housing of the system controller. Correct installation procedures are paramount when working with EMT conduits and electrical wiring. Firstly, all conduit runs must be properly supported using appropriate hangers and straps. The spacing between supports should adhere to the National Electrical Code (NEC) requirements to prevent sagging or damage to the conduit. Secondly, all conduit connections must be made using approved fittings and tightened securely to ensure a reliable electrical bond. Thirdly, all wiring within the conduit must be properly insulated and sized according to the ampacity requirements of the circuit. The NEC provides detailed tables, such as Table 310.15b16, that specify the allowable ampacities of different wire sizes based on their insulation type and installation conditions. Fourthly, the grounding system must be properly installed to ensure the safety of the system and prevent electrical shocks. The NEC Article 250 provides comprehensive guidelines for grounding electrical systems. In the context of the card access system, the grounding conductor must be properly connected to the metal conduit system and to the grounding electrode system of the building. This ensures that any fault current will have a low impedance path back to the source, causing the circuit breaker to trip and de-energize the circuit. Fifthly, all electrical work must be performed by qualified and licensed electricians who are familiar with the NEC and local electrical codes. This ensures that the installation is done safely and correctly, minimizing the risk of electrical hazards. The card access system controller typically requires a dedicated power supply, which should be connected to a separate circuit breaker in the electrical panel. The circuit breaker should be sized appropriately based on the power consumption of the controller. The wiring for the power supply should be run in a separate conduit from the data cables to minimize the risk of interference. The card readers themselves usually operate on low voltage direct current (DC) power, which is supplied by the controller. The wiring for the card readers should be run in a separate conduit from the power supply wiring to minimize the risk of voltage drop. The data cables that connect the card readers to the controller should be shielded to protect them from electromagnetic interference. The controller typically has software that allows the university to manage the card access system. The software can be used to add or remove users, set access permissions, and monitor the activity of the system. The software should be password protected to prevent unauthorized access. The card access system can be integrated with other security systems, such as surveillance cameras and alarm systems, to provide a comprehensive security solution. The integration can be achieved through a network connection between the different systems. The system should be regularly tested and maintained to ensure that it is functioning properly. The testing should include checking the operation of the card readers, the controller, and the software. The maintenance should include cleaning the card readers and inspecting the wiring for any signs of damage. By implementing a card access system in the laundry rooms, the university can significantly improve the security and safety of its residential facilities. This proactive approach to access control contributes to a more secure and comfortable living environment for the students. The choice of ENT conduit for the wiring infrastructure provides a durable, reliable, and cost-effective solution that will ensure the long-term performance of the system. The system can also be expanded in the future by running additional ENT conduits to additional machines. The size of the existing J-box allows for future expansion. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards that covers all aspects of electrical installations. It is important to follow the NEC when installing electrical systems to ensure safety and compliance. The NEC is updated every 3 years, so it is important to stay up to date with the latest edition. The university's decision to install a card access system in the laundry rooms is a responsible one that demonstrates its commitment to the safety and well-being of its students. The system will not only deter unauthorized access, but also provide valuable data on laundry room usage, which can be used to optimize resource allocation and improve the overall laundry experience for the students. The use of ENT conduits, 5S boxes, and J boxes in the installation of the card access system demonstrates a commitment to quality and safety. These materials are durable, reliable, and compliant with industry standards. The proper installation of these materials will ensure the long-term performance of the card access system and minimize the risk of electrical hazards. The card access system is a valuable investment that will benefit the university and its students for many years to come. It is a testament to the university's commitment to providing a safe, secure, and convenient living environment for its students. The system also can keep records of which students are using the laundry, and that can be used for data records. Card access systems are typically powered by 120 volts alternating current or 277 volts alternating current, depending on the model and the building's electrical system. It is imperative to consult the manufacturer's specifications and adhere to local electrical codes when connecting the power supply to ensure safe and reliable operation. The installation of the card readers in the laundry room requires careful attention to detail to ensure that they are properly mounted and connected to the electrical system. The card readers should be mounted at a height that is accessible to all students, including those with disabilities. The wiring for the card readers should be concealed within the ENT conduit to protect it from damage and tampering. The card readers should be tested after installation to ensure that they are functioning properly. The 24-inch by 24-inch J-box provides ample space for terminating the ENT conduit runs and making the necessary electrical connections. The J-box should be mounted securely to the ceiling and should be accessible for maintenance. The wiring within the J-box should be neatly organized and labeled to facilitate troubleshooting. The J-box should be covered with a lid to protect the wiring from dust and moisture. Proper grounding of the card access system is essential for safety. The grounding conductor should be connected to the metal conduit system and to the building's grounding electrode system. The grounding conductor should be sized according to the requirements of the NEC. The grounding system should be tested after installation to ensure that it is functioning properly. The card access system should be inspected regularly to ensure that it is functioning properly and that there are no signs of damage. The inspection should include checking the operation of the card readers, the controller, and the wiring. Any damaged or worn component should be replaced immediately. The card access system should be maintained according to the manufacturer's instructions. The maintenance should include cleaning the card readers and inspecting the wiring for any signs of damage. The card access system is an important part of the university's security system. It helps to protect the laundry rooms from unauthorized access and to ensure the safety of the students. The system should be properly installed, maintained, and inspected to ensure that it is functioning properly. The card access system can be integrated with other security systems, such as surveillance cameras and alarm systems, to provide a comprehensive security solution. The integration can be achieved through a network connection between the different systems. The card access system can also be used to track laundry room usage. This information can be used to optimize resource allocation and to improve the overall laundry experience for the students. The card access system is a valuable asset that will benefit the university and its students for many years to come. It is a testament to the university's commitment to providing a safe, secure, and convenient living environment for its students. The security system enhances the quality of life for the student. The selection of the card access system should also consider the potential for future expansion. The system should be scalable to accommodate future growth in the student population. The system should also be compatible with future technologies, such as mobile access control. The card access system should be user-friendly and easy to operate. The student should be able to easily access the laundry rooms using their student ID cards. The system should also provide clear instructions on how to use the laundry equipment. The university should provide training to the students on how to use the card access system. The training should cover the basics of the system, such as how to access the laundry rooms and how to report problems. The university should also provide ongoing support to the students to ensure that they are able to use the system effectively. The card access system is a valuable investment that will benefit the university and its students for many years to come. It is a testament to the university's commitment to providing a safe, secure, and convenient living environment for its students. The system provides security for the students. The proper selection, installation, and maintenance of the card access system are essential for ensuring its long-term performance and reliability. The university should work with a qualified security contractor to ensure that the system is properly installed and maintained. The security contractor should be familiar with the latest technologies and best practices in access control. The security contractor should also provide ongoing support to the university to ensure that the system is functioning properly. The card access system is an important part of the university's overall security plan. It helps to protect the students, faculty, and staff from harm. The system should be integrated with other security systems such as surveillance cameras and alarm systems to provide a comprehensive security solution. The university should regularly review its security plan to ensure that it is up to date and effective. The card access system is a valuable tool that can help the university to create a safer and more secure campus environment. The card access system can also be used to improve the efficiency of the laundry rooms. The system can track laundry room usage, which can be used to optimize resource allocation. The system can also be used to schedule laundry room usage, which can help to prevent overcrowding. The card access system can also be used to collect data on laundry room usage. This data can be used to improve the design of the laundry rooms and to develop new laundry services. The card access system is a versatile tool that can be used to improve the safety, security, and efficiency of the university's laundry rooms. The careful planning and execution of the card access system installation are crucial for its success. The university should involve all stakeholders in the planning process, including students, faculty, staff, and security personnel. The university should also conduct a thorough risk assessment to identify potential security threats. The university should develop a detailed implementation plan that outlines the steps involved in the installation process. The implementation plan should include a timeline, budget, and resource allocation. The university should also assign responsibility for each task to a specific individual or team. The university should closely monitor the installation process to ensure that it is proceeding according to plan. The university should also conduct regular testing to ensure that the system is functioning properly. The university should develop a comprehensive training program for all users of the system. The training program should cover the basics of the system, such as how to access the laundry rooms and how to report problems. The university should also provide ongoing support to the users to ensure that they are able to use the system effectively. The card access system is a complex system that requires careful planning, execution, and maintenance. The university should work with a qualified security contractor to ensure that the system is properly installed, maintained, and supported. The system has a proven track record for a good safety measure.